Hey, it's Barb, and this week I have something really practical for you. You know how sometimes you have like so much rain and you get ready to stop and you feel like this hand goes up in the air and your body comes up, and this is my rain hand now, your body comes up and you feel kind of discombobulated and even not really entangled in your reins, but the whole thing feels awkward. Well, in a training situation, especially, what you can do is use your hands. I call it a two-handed stop, or you could use it to slow your horse down. But the goal is to keep your upper body down, to keep your arms loose, and to have maximum leverage. By leverage, I just mean that feel. So what you want to do is pick your left hand up without moving your upper body. Just pretend like that arm's on a hinge. This right hand comes down, slides down the reins, and see how I've taken all the slack out of the reins, and then this hand pulls back towards your abdomen to stop. So I'm just going to do this without the reins for a second. Okay, so we're going along. Left hand comes up, right hand goes down the reins, and you can pull back into your abdomen. Left hand comes up, right hand goes down the reins. See how I've taken the slack out of the reins? Right hand goes to your abdomen. Now that might just seem like so simple, but here's why it works well. And that is because it keeps your upper body grounded and still in the saddle. And when you do this and come back, you can draw your hand towards your core to keep you super grounded in the saddle. Because if you just raise your hand like this, our upper body tends to come up, our horse arches their back, their head comes up, and we are not where we want to be. And just by doing that, I could feel my calves get tight around my horse. So when you get ready to stop, loping around or stop and back, just drop down a little bit. This hand goes up, this hand slides down all the way down, draw back, and there you go. And you can practice. It's great to practice on your horse, pretending like you're holding the reins, as long as your horse is quiet. Comes up, slide down, come back. Come up, slide down, come back. Come up, slide down, come back. Your arms are on hinges, your core stays down, your horse gives their head, rounds their back, and it's all good. Okay, leave a message for me. Let me know what you think, if you think that will be a useful tool.